Hi, I'm Liz from Best Reviews, and today we are comparing the Chemex Pour-Over Glass Coffeemaker with the OXO Brew single-serve pour-over coffee maker. These two coffee makers look very different and come at different price points, so we're here to break down which one is best for your coffee needs. If you like content like this, give us a like, hit the notification bell, and subscribe so you never miss a video from us. And if you're ready to learn more about the products we discussed in this video, check out the links in the comments. Introduced in the 1940s, the Chemex Pour-Over Glass Coffeemaker has become popular for coffee enthusiasts who appreciate manual brewing techniques. All Chemex coffee makers are made of high-quality glass, which won't absorb odors or chemical residues. The OXO Brew single-serve pour-over coffee maker is designed to simplify the manual pour-over process. The key feature here is the auto-drip water tank, which allows you to add water and walk away while the coffee brews, making it a great option for individuals who enjoy the flavor of pour-over but want a simpler, more efficient way to brew it. The Chemex brewed up the smoothest, silkiest cup of coffee I personally have ever tasted, and now I totally get why my coffee-obsessed friends have been nudging me to get one all this time. We gave it a 10 out of 10. The taste and flavor from the OXO brew was solid, but it wasn't comparable to the Chemex since it tasted slightly over-extracted and bitter. It gets a 7 out of 10. As a first-time user of the Chemex, there was a bit of a learning curve. There's quite a few steps to follow, like getting the filter ready, then letting the coffee bloom, but it's all part of the experience. Chemex also recommends using a gooseneck kettle to control the water flow and their specialty Chemex filters. We tested these to see how they compare and found that they are thicker than most filters, so they produce a very clean cup of coffee. It's big enough that the coffee grounds don't overflow as well. Overall, it gets an 8 out of 10. Figuring out how to use the OXO coffee maker was quick and easy. We especially loved the clear water measuring cup, which eliminated the need to eyeball how much water is needed. The OXO is also incredibly light and portable, perfect for camping trips. It gets a 10 out of 10. The Chemex has an incredibly sturdy and well-crafted feel. It has a stylish yet functional design, plus amazing flavor. A perfect 10 out of 10. The hourglass shape and sturdy wooden handle makes pouring a breeze as well. The OXO might not look as stylish as the Chemex, but after several uses, it performed well without any noticeable issues. However, the plastic reservoir could show signs of wear and tear over time, which brings it down to an 8 out of 10. Cleaning the Chemex is fairly straightforward. Once you toss the filter, you can either pop the glass piece in the dishwasher or wash it by hand. However, reaching through the neck for a thorough clean was a bit tricky, bringing it down to an 8 out of 10. Cleaning the OXO was a breeze too. You can rinse each piece by hand or just toss them in the dishwasher before storing it away. With limited counter space, I really appreciated how easy it was to store rather than leaving it out on the counter. The lid also doubles as a drip tray. We gave it a 10 out of 10. Brewing speed for the Chemex takes time, but we promise it's worth it. Once you have everything set up, brewing a full pot of coffee will take about 5 to 10 minutes. It's recommended you let the water bloom for about 30 to 40 seconds before you continue to pour in a circular outward motion. Ultimately, this is time consuming, so we gave Chemex a 7 out of 10 for brew speed. The OXO brew experience was much quicker. It took us seconds to set it up, and we were able to multitask and start cooking breakfast as the coffee started to brew. 3 minutes later, and we had brewed a delicious cup of coffee, so OXO gets a 10 out of 10. The Chemex costs about $48, but it's worth it since it produces a high quality cup of coffee you can really taste. The OXO is on the lower end of the cost spectrum at $17, a solid option for anyone looking for an affordable or portable pour-over coffee. Once again, I'm Liz from Best Reviews. We would love to know your brewing tips. Let us know in the comments.